Meanwhile, in Gujarat, another disturbing incident unfolded, the TRP game zone fire horror. Gujarat High Court will now hear the Rajkot fire tragedy today after taking a suo motu cognizance in this case over the weekend. Just to give you a background, 28 people lost their life, including children. This was a gaming arcade, a gaming zone. The High Court has called it a man-made disaster, and there's a reason for it. India Today accessed this CCTV footage on your screens. It clearly shows that precise moment when the blast appears to have started. So there, as it looks like, a welding work was going on in one part of the gaming zone. Sparks started from that welding work, led to a full-blown explosion and triggered a massive fire that spread across the gaming zone. Families were there enjoying their weekend. Gujarat police have arrested both the owner and the manager of the gaming zone on Sunday. Political showdown also has erupted. The Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party also have paid tribute to those who lost their life in the horrific fire. Showdown because it is the BJP in the state. But the question is, amid all of this, isn't it a glaring testament to negligence if there was not enough fire safety protocol followed? Why was this gaming arcade even allowed to run? 28 innocent lives lost, including children.
जब इंस्पेक्शन के लिए ये गए तो उनका बीयू परमिशन है कि नहीं है, फायर एनओसी है कि नहीं है, एंट्री एग्जिट के पॉइंट ठीक है कि नहीं है, जो भी सलामती के दूसरे साधन होने चाहिए वो है कि नहीं है, उनकी कैपेसिटी कितनी है और कितने लोगों को अलाउड कर रहे हैं, वो करंट स्टेटस उनका क्या है, वो सारे अलग अलग पहलुओं को ध्यान में रखते हुए उन्होंने ये निर्णय लिया कि फिलहाल जब तक इनकी स्टेबिलिटी में जो होना चाहिए वो पैरामीटर्स अगर वो फॉलो नहीं हो रहे तो उनको अभी शुरू नहीं कर रहे हैं.
माणसना जीवथी वधारे किमती कशुं ज न होई शके. गमे तेटली मोटी रकम, गमे ते मोटा आश्वासनो माणसनो जीव पाछो नथी लावी शकता. અને એટલે જ વારંવાર નામદાર હાઈકોર્ટે પણ એવું હતું કે ફાયર સેફટીના દરેક પ્રાવધાન વ્યવસ્થિત રાખો.
રાજકોટ મ્યુનિસિપલ કોર્પોરેશનના અધિકારીઓ કરોડો રૂપિયાનો પગાર એટલા માટે લે છે કે આખા રાજકોટ કોર્પોરેશનની અંદર જ્યાં જ્યાં ફાયરના સાધનોની જરૂર હોય ત્યાં લાગ્યા છે કે કેમ નથી લાગ્યા, તો એ યુનિટોને બંધ કરાવવા, ફાયરના સાધનો લાગે એના માટે સતત મોનિટરિંગ કરવું, સુપરવિઝન કરવું, પેટ્રોલિંગ કરવું, એના માટે સરકારના કરોડો રૂપિયાનો પગાર મ્યુનિસિપલ કોર્પોરેશનના ફાયર વિભાગના માણસોને મળે છે.
India Today's Brijesh Doshi is joining me for the latest on that. Brijesh, will the administration just stop at the arrest of the owner, or will a bigger question be asked? What were the local administration and officers doing to constantly check on this gaming zone's protocol? Because how can a welding work start with the sparks in one area and spread so massively? There was definitely something wrong beyond it as well.
Pooja, definitely the question rises here that how the permission was given to the owners to do the or the construct the building on the residential zone. So this is the biggest question that everyone is asking to the authorities. But still there is no sign of any kind of condemnation from the authorities as well. But the CCTV footage reveals the welding work that was underway on the gaming zone's first floor, below which piles of inflammable materials were stored. Piles of foam sheet, plastic mattresses and thermocol were stored along with other materials used in such type of temporary structures. The structure which was created there, built there, was a temporary structure, and due to which this havoc was created, or this massive tragedy occurred there, and 28 people have lost their life. So this is the biggest question, that how this temporary structure was allowed by the authorities. This is the biggest question that opposition is asking. The people are asking. The Keens who have lost their family, they are asking the same question, and the media as well asking authorities that how this permission was given and what will be done to those officials who have given the permission.
That's the big question. It looks like it's a pattern. Delhi or Gujarat, without safety protocols, there are hospitals, gaming arcades dealing with children that are allowed to run for so long till an incident like this takes place. Perhaps it's a bigger question that the country needs to ask of, is this a pattern in other states as well? Brijesh, thank you very much, and keep updating us what's unfolding in Rajkot, because this was a TRP gaming zone. Families had gathered over the weekend with children enjoying, and then fire of this nature started. 28 people killed, including children. A disaster that's a glaring sentiment to negligence, and not just at a local level, but perhaps at a bigger level when it comes to administrations being run. Here's a report.
killer blaze ignited by negligence. Poor emergency planning. Non-functional firefighting equipment. Over 3,000 litres of diesel stored on-site for generators and go-karts. No NOC received from the fire department and the municipality. One of the biggest gaming zones of Saurashtra was set up just under a shed with a single entry and exit point. Rajkot's TRP game zone fire tragedy is a glaring testament of killer negligence. The vibrant laughter and the joyous screams turned into harrowing cries for help on a fateful Saturday night when the devastating fire engulfed the entire facility. Claiming at least 28 lives, including those of innocent children, panic-stricken families frantically searching, only to find their loved ones trapped in raging inferno.
ટોટલી 7 જણા ગયા હતા.
શું એમાંથી કોઈ મિસિંગ છે, સારવાર હેઠળ છે, કઈ પ્રકારની પરિસ્થિતિઓ છે અત્યારે?
વિરેન્દ્રસિંહના વાઇફ અને એના દીકરી બે ગિરિરાજ હોસ્પિટલમાં સારવારની છે અને ઓનું કાંઈ હજી કાંઈ મળ્યું નથી. હજી અમે રાતે બધી રાજકોટની બધી ટોટલી હોસ્પિટલમાં 20-25 જણા ફર્યા કે હજી પતો લાગ્યો નથી.
मैं इधर चाय देने आया तो थोड़ी सी आग लगी हुई थी और 4:30 बजे आग लगी हुई थी. फिर हम इधर से आए ना तो सबस्टेशन में शॉर्ट सर्किट हो रहा था. फिर हम 2-3 जने मिल के वो सबस्टेशन का जो घोड़ा होता है वो बंद कर दिया हमने.
डीपी आपने बंद?
हाँ, डीपी हमने बंद कर दिया. फिर अंदर गए, वहाँ से जो सौजन थे सबको, उसको हम सब ने बाहर निकाला.
The scene was a chaotic nightmare with thick smoke choking the air and flames devouring everything in their path. Firefighters battled relentlessly against the raging blaze to rescue the trapped individuals.
टीआरपी गेम जोन में आग लगी तो हम घटनास्थल पे फायर टेंडर भेज के हम आग बुझाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं सर.
Gaming zone's owner Yuvraj Singh Solanki and manager Nitin Jain were taken into police custody.
उसके अनुसंधान में आज राजकोट तालुका पुलिस स्टेशन के अंदर आईपीसी 304, 308, 337, 338, 114 मुजब 6 आरोपियों के ऊपर गुनाह दाखिल किया गया है. उसमें से 2 आरोपियों को अभी पुलिस ने अरेस्ट किया हुआ है. बाकी 4 आरोपियों के लिए स्पेशल क्राइम ब्रांच की टीम काम करी रही है.
Gujarat Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel and Home Minister Harsh Sanghvi rushed to the incident site.
अभी हमारी प्राथमिक जो जिम्मेदारी है वो घटना स्थल में अभी भी जो माहिती हमारे पास है उसमें एक व्यक्ति अभी भी गुम है. उनको ढूंढने की जिम्मेदारी हमारी है और उसके लिए हम ज्यादा से ज्यादा टीम लगा रहे हैं.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi also dialed Gujarat Chief Minister to take stock of the situation and announced compensation. According to officials, the blaze erupted due to a short circuit. An SIT has been formed to investigate this incident.
उसकी पूरी इंक्वायरी के लिए एक सीट जो बनाई है उसमें हमारे साथ डायरेक्टर FSL संघवी साहब, मैं, फायर के कुछ ऑफिसर्स, उन सबकी एक सीट है जो अभी शुरू से काम करेगी. किस डिपार्टमेंट में क्या क्या किया गया है उसकी पूरी तहकीकात होगी.
This gaming zone highlights utter disregard for safety by the management, forcing visitors to sign a murderous agreement, absolving the gaming park of any responsibility despite knowing the hazards. This exploitative document waived victims' right to legal recourse in case of damage, loss, injury, and even death, effectively sanctioning unsafe conditions. The question now is, will those who are behind the carnage made to pay? With Atul Tiwari in Rajkot, Bureau Report, India Today.
Is it simply the owners, whether it's Delhi or Gujarat, trying to flout the norms, or is it a bigger pattern of how constantly criminal negligence is allowed to even deal with children's life in such a manner?